I've lost thousands of dollars in the stock market, not from trading, but simply not knowing this covered call strategy, how to make income just for holding onto your stock. Covered calls is one of the simplest, most conservative strategies you can learn selling options. Even Warren Buffett uses this to create income, juicing the returns in his portfolio. It allows you to earn income on the shares that you own, especially when the market's not doing anything. If you already know the basics, feel free to jump around and timestamps below to the Tesla example that I'm going to walk you through. I'll also show you my exact strategy and the signals that I look for when selling a covered call. So stay to the very end. I'm going to give you an intro to covered calls. If you own 100 shares of a stock, you can sell one contract because one contract is equal to 100 shares. And you have the right to put this contract up on the market and you get money up front. And you give the right for someone else to buy this contract. The flow is you sell a contract of 100 shares of any stock, you get money up front, which is the premium. You set a price that you're willing to sell it at, which is the strike price, and a time that the contract ends, which is the expiration date. Let's use real estate as an example. Imagine your home's worth 800 to 900 grand max. But you know that it's a lot of money if you could sell your house for 1.2 million within 2 months. Say there's a market for that. You decide to sell your home, put a contract up in the market for 1.2 million, but it must sell within 60 days. Just for putting that contract up, you're going to collect income just for someone to potentially buy your home for $1.2 million. You know that the probability of that is really low. So you're going to take a chance. So 1.2 million is your strike price. 60 days is your expiration date. And the money you collected instantly is called premium. So someone may pay you upfront for buying your home for $1.2 million during that 60 days. That's what a covered call is like. Now here's Tesla on a chart. Tesla moves up and down 5 to 10% in any given day. And because it moves up and down so wildly, it pays a lot of money, premiums. In this stock chart, Tesla is at $391 and it's sitting near the 90-day moving average. I'm gonna walk you through a Tesla example of how to sell a covered call and the premiums you could collect. But before I do that, I want to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Mumu. I like using Mumu's app for selling options because it has everything in one app. Now I'm going to show you an example using Tesla. It is going to become so important when I show you the signals I look for that is in the Mumu app. I haven't found any other app in Canada that does it quite like this. If you want to try it out, all you need to do is click on the link below. If you deposit $100, you get $50 cash back. That's 50% return on investment. Plus, if you wanting to trade options, it's in the US stock market and you got to convert your Canadian dollars to US dollars because that's where the premiums are. You get the lowest foreign exchange fees only on the Mumu app. So let's get back to the Tesla example. Let me show you what it looks like inside the app. So when I go into the options chain, you got to go hit the chain. That means you get to see all the contracts. Now Tesla in the stock chart was trading at $391. I usually choose between 30 to 45 days or even as long as 90 days. In this case, let's make it super simple. I'm going to choose 33 days. I'm going to choose something that I don't think the stock price will get to. Let's just do 460. I'm going to put a sell. Now, when I choose 460, I want to know what's the probability that this is going to be a winning contract. And you see that's 84.91%, meaning it has 85% of winning. Now, the delta shows you what's the likelihood that it's going to hit above the strike price. Again, the strike price is the price you chose it at, which is $460, and it shows 18%. So I'm really comfortable with that. I usually choose a probability profit of over 80% and a low delta. If I put a trade, make sure it's a sell because I'm selling the contract away. Then I choose an average of the bid and ask. I usually choose just the average. I'm going to put 6. Then I put the contract up for sale. You instantly get $600 US in your account for putting this contract up in the market. For someone with the chance to buy those shares. Simple terms, I choose a lower delta and I choose a higher probability, over 80%. Typically, when you sell contracts, you want to avoid earnings. You want to avoid some big news announcements. You want to make it like the stock is so boring and predictable within the earnings announcements. But Tesla is a whole different animal. It has the Elon factor. Any tweet, anything he says in a podcast can move the stock price. It could literally make the stock jump 8%. I learned that the hard way in 2021. Tesla was ramping up electric vehicles, and like a fundamental investor, I was nerding it out with all the math. And I thought, the stock has already shot up to the moon. There's no way the stock will shoot up even higher. I sold a cover call 90 days away. Instantly, I collected $2,000 for selling this one contract. But that experience taught me something invaluable. I thought I was emotionally okay to have my shares called away, but turns out I was actually anxious. I couldn't sleep at night knowing that that contract was up on the market. If you decide to sell covered calls, you have to be okay with your shares called away. I decided to stay to the very end, but I was super lucky, as you can see in this stock chart, because shortly after it went to the moon and shares would have been called away. And it would have lost out on a ton of money. You got to remember, when you sell covered calls, you can lose a lot of opportunity costs. Something with a stock like Tesla. So who's this not for? Obviously, if you don't own 100 shares, please don't do this. You can't handle having your shares called away like I did in 2021. You are also expecting that this stock, Tesla or Palantir or some AI stock, to literally rocket to the moon and have, as promised, I'm going to share the optimal timing for selling covered calls. For me, I like it when the market's not doing anything, that my stocks are just trading sideways, or one of my favorite ways is when it's a bear market, like during COVID, for example. So I like to sell covered calls. At least I'm getting some income for holding on to those shares, because the likelihood of my shares getting called away is pretty low. Number two, the fundamentals are out of whack. So if you're a fundamental investor like me, you like to be more the contrarian investor, and you see the price per earnings just crazy high, like, for example, Palantir. You can argue Tesla for sure, I agree, but that's the behavior of Tesla. And it's exploded up, and you have no conviction for holding on to it, meaning you don't believe that this company deserves that price per earnings and it's never going to catch up to that price per earnings. So then you'd be comfortable, getting your shares called away. Number three, the stock price is also above the 200-day moving average, but it's stalling. It's not rocketing to the moon. The last one is VIX. I want to look for when the VIX is relatively low, the market's pretty calm, or they've accepted there's a bear market. Essentially, I just don't want the VIX to be high, because there's a lot of swings in the stock price. Getting back to that real estate example, just imagine you did sell your house at a contract of $1.2 million. Someone did accept your contract. Sure, you make a lot of coin within that 60 days because your house is really only worth $800,000 to $900,000. Fast forward 4 years later, you find out your house is like worth a couple million because it's an upcoming market. So you got to be okay that you gave up those returns. If you can swallow that and you needed the money at that time, then you're just happy. That's good. But if you didn't know that, that's when the covered call strategy doesn't work for you, because you could be losing a ton of upside. Like what could have happened to me when I sold a covered call against my Tesla shares, because Tesla definitely rocketed to the moon. The covered calls won't make you rich overnight, but it's a great hedging strategy, especially when it's a bear market or the market's trading sideways. Now, if you want to learn more about selling options like Warren Buffett, comment, say options. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.